There's a new update today in Yeeps, and the first thing that I saw while I was recording was this ball. Oh, you can't see it. But this ball is it's like red and white. But when you throw it, I just noticed when you throw it, the camera focuses on the ball. You can't see it, but it's in my hand. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to check out the new update in Yeeps today. I'm gonna join a private code. Okay. Is there anything new in... Seem like it. Oh! Zone copier. Okay. I believe that copies zones. Let me turn it. Nothing seems new in the map, but anything new in the tech web? Oh. That's new, I believe. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is new. Right here. Okay. I don't have enough butt coins. I can't buy either. Trigger, no block. I'm just gonna do my quest real quick. Let's see. Right here. Wait. SR latch? That's new. That's new. Oh, no, that was the one from the last update. I can't buy the vote broadcast, sadly. Okay, is there anything new in the snow biome? There's like never anything new, so I'm assuming not. Okay. Okay, what is this? Chainsaw? But it's 800. Can't do it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Is that a new map I see? Look at that. New. Okay. Seems to be nothing new. Before I check out this new map, I'm gonna check if there's anything new in the fantasy things. I don't know. Okay. I'm turning around in 3, 2, 1. Are you serious right now? Okay, it's just construction site. They used to have it in a community world. I don't know if they still do. But there was a one rare block in here. It was this one. It used to be void, but now it's purple or dark purple. Oh yeah, butt coins. I'll show you all the butt coins at the end of the video. God. I'm sure you guys have already seen construction site, so I'm not going to like showcase the whole map. All right. Hopefully this doesn't crash my game because there's a bunch of blocks. Wait, how many? Okay. Let me see what the chainsaw does. No way. Oh my goodness. It destroys creative mode blocks. I'm gonna place this. So I have a bunch of random blocks set down in the grid. All these random blocks. I'm gonna copy. Okay. Then I'm gonna move it over here and paste. Yeah, it actually works. I'm going to check out what this is. Okay. I think I already know what this is. So, you enter a vote. Yes or no. And then place down a button. Yes or no. It showed up yes. Okay. I have it set up like this. On. Yes or no. If you say yes, the green one pops up. Wait. It doesn't work. Yes or no. If it says yes, the green light goes on. Goes on. If you say no, the red one goes off. So, that's what it does. Okay. Last block. It's the D latch. I have no idea what this does. Guess we'll find out. Okay. What I meant to say is... boom. But I don't really know... Okay. Yeah, I get it. But, so if I would turn it off, that would turn off. That would turn on. Wait a minute. That turns on. But if I turn it off, that turns off too. Okay, boom. I don't know if this is exactly what it's supposed to do, but I'm gonna turn off that. Okay. Then I'm gonna... Okay. That's cool. Alright. Cool. That's that. Okay. The first one is right here. Second one, you come down from up here, from up there, or from down there. I cannot speak. And it's right here. I just realized this is pure white. Um, what? Look at that. It said I own white paint. Okay. Okay, paints aren't allowed. But that is pure white. Next one. You come from here, go down to this river, or whatever you call it. Somewhere around here. Somewhere right here. It's on the third hole. You're over here. Come over here to this zip line. And somewhere around here. Oh yeah. It's right here. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. I post daily, so make sure to like and subscribe to my videos so you can never miss one of my videos ever again. I hope you like my channel. My channel! I hope you like my channel.